Hey everybody, J&A Review, and welcome back to another campground review. So today we are at Bluff Campground here in Aberdeen, Mississippi.
Yes, actually this is going to be an update. We have already reviewed this campground probably about a year or so ago, but we didn't go into a lot of detail at that time. So this go around, we wanted to show you some actual campsites so you can get an idea of what the actual campsite looks like.
And we're going to jump on the bicycles and kind of ride around the loops, and this place is packed.
Yes.
So you'll have an idea of kind of how big the sites are with, you know, we've got all kind of fifth wheels and travel trailers here on the site. So, hey, here we go. Let's get started. All right, we are going to start with 1 through 32. Kind of give you an idea of how the campsites here are. All right, the first two on the left are 1 and 3. There is number 2. Number 4.
We have a parking area.
Number 6. Well, excuse me, that was 5. This is 6. Then we've got 7. Number 9. And number 8 over here. Number 10 is right there. This is number 11. It's 12. Here's 13. 14. There's 15 right here with this white truck. 16. 17. This right here is 18 where this KZ is. 19 is back that way. Then we got where this big eagle is number 20. And there's 21 back this way. That J flight is 22. Big Sierra. There's 23 was across. Where the Sierra is, I have no idea. I think it's 24. There's 25. $26. That's 27, and then 26. Oh, sorry, that's 28. Camp host. It's kind of hard to keep up with the numbers. And then there's 31. Over the Eagle. 32 is a park host. All right, now we're going to do 33 through 92. This first one right here is 33. It's 35. Here is 37. Big Montana right there was 39. There's 42 right there with that white pickup. And 43 right there with a Ford Super Duty. 44. Yeah, that was 45. Right here was Volante is. All right, we got to go back this way now. Well, I guess I could be singing a song right now. No comment.
No comment.
All right, this is 46 and 47 are both right here together. Now I'm going to stop right here. Now this is 48, 49, 50, and 51. It's right there. So if you got you and 3 other people you like, you can have the whole section right here. Cool. Here's 52. And it's right there by the bathhouse. There's 53. $54. 55. 56. There's 57. Hotty toddy, Ole Miss. 58. And 59. They're both kind of right there together. All right, we're going to go this way.
There is a cut-through loop right there.
We'll come back to it.
Come back.
All right, here is 65. I think that is 66. And here's 67, what the big Class A is. 68.
This is 68.
Oh, that was 69. This is 70 right here. Okay, so we've got 71. 72. 73. 74. I missed 75. It's on my left. So we've got 76 is right here. Reflection is 78. The big sandpiper there is 80. There's 81. Here is the big Airstream right here. 84. Got a pretty view of the lake. 87. 88. And there is 89. And Puma there is on 91. Class C should be 92. All right, this is just the inside loop that we skipped. So the one straight ahead is 60. Here is 61. (62). 63 is over here. And then this is 64. All right. All right, everybody. I really hope that helped. A lot of the sites we couldn't really swing over to the camera and look. So
because he can't ride and video
that
at
is
the same
very
time.
hard to ride a bicycle one-handed and record and try to make some sense out of it. But there's 92 sites. There's water and electricity only. They have a great dump station. So, and I'll be honest with you, you know, a lot of dump stations don't have a really great water hose to help you out with it. They do here. So.
They also have a boat ramp that is not very far from the camping area. So if you like to fish or bring your pontoon, or like we do, float around in a kayak, that's a great place to go, and you can put in right there, and it's you don't even have to go very far. Also, we know that 9 times out of 10 you're going to forget something. So if you need a Dollar General, there's one about 2 miles from the campsite. If you prefer to go to Wal-mart, the closest one's going to be in Amory, and I think it's about 9.5, a little less than 10 miles. So you're not very far if you need to go pick up something. And
let's see. I think AT&T service is going to be great here.
Probably.
We have C-spire.
We have C-spire. It's spotty at best.
Yeah.
1 minute it's great, next minute it's a little iffy. But hey, you're camping, so who needs your Wi-Fi at this point?
But I hope this helps for anybody that's maybe traveling out of state. Hey, come check it out. I think you'll definitely enjoy it. So, and like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us. And go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up on it if you like this video. Thanks, everybody.
Happy camping.
I don't know whose red truck that is in the background. Oh, man, that is a, hang on. Gosh, that is a pretty truck. Pretty red truck.